I don't know what kind of message that you can tell to this criminal government in the UK and the criminal governments all over Europe and America and Canada. I mean, I think their empty words of freedom of expression has been exposed many times. And what happened in Palestine is actually a testimony of how the word that has been bragging about being the free word is not that free anymore. It's very, very, very disappointing. Well, as I said, it's just a testimony of how empty those words are. The words of freedom of expression, freedom of press. It seems that they have freedom of expression until we practice it, and then that freedom becomes very selective. I think what happened in Palestine affected me like it affected everybody with half a heart, at least. I mean, we've been seeing people being slaughtered every day, and nothing that we can do about it. I mean, I think what I feel is actually being helped. I was a doctor myself, and now I can see my colleagues, people from my previous profession, risking their lives every day. And if I can't be with them, helping them as a doctor, the least that we can do is to help them raise money and support for their wonderful work in Gaza.